What is up, everybody? It's the Wolf here. I wanted to make this short intro before I go out to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. I'm going to be going out to, I wanted to tell you guys about what I'm going to be filming. I think I'm going to be going to mainly look at Holiday in the Park. I'm going to be seeing the lights. I'm going to be trying to see some shows maybe. Definitely maybe ride some roller coasters. Yes, that'd be fantastic. Now, before I go, close up my closet here. Closet's sitting open. And if my closet's open for too long, the cats, you don't want to. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, easy. What are you doing? Whoa! Oh, let me go. Arm. No. Ow. Oh, stop. Okay, all right, I'm going. Wait, where are we going? Yeah, I'm supposed to go to Discovery Kingdom today, don't you understand that? I'm supposed to be going to Discovery Kingdom. I can't do this. The heck? What happened? Where the heck am I? What? How the heck did I get here? What?